Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create pie charts in Figma. You can either build them manually for full design control or use plugins to generate charts from real data. For the manual method, start by drawing a perfect circle using the ellipse tool and holding Shift. Then, activate the arc tool by hovering over the circle until the small white arc point appears. Click and drag to create a slice. Adjust the sweep angle to set the percentage of the segment. For example, 25% equals 90 degrees. Use the Start handle to rotate where the slice begins. You can also adjust the center point to turn your pie into a donut chart. To add more slices, duplicate the first segment, change its color, and set its start angle to line up with the previous slice. For more precise data, plugins are the way to go. Tools like UCharts let you import CSV or Excel files and create over 20 types of charts. The Chart plugin can generate charts from real or random data directly on your canvas. Pie Chart Generator allows you to enter numbers or percentages and instantly create an editable vector chart. If you want to save time, the Figma community has ready-made resources. You'll find kits like circle charts with ring and radio components, or the Pie Chart Maker template, which is a fully prepared file to visually organize your data. And that's it. Whether you're designing freehand or working with real data, Figma makes it easy to create clean, editable pie charts.